guys, so wanted to get a video out. I live on the east coast of the US and it's just been raining for the last 3 or 4 days, so it hasn't been much chance to get out and do any driving or anything, but figured I'd make like a little update video and a what's to come. So for the GTR, I do have a couple things that I want and need to do. The first one is that I want to do is I've had these high octane racing baffles for the longest time to help with the oil coming out of the valve cover and going to the catch can here. So that will be a video upcoming to the channel so that I can help not get so much oil in the oil can when I go racing and stuff. So another update for the GTR. This was my oil drain for the turbo, and it's hard to show you, but it was pretty kinked, so it was basically blocking oil and keeping it up into the turbo, which was causing it to go past the seals and start burning out of the exhaust. So I created a new pipe using the stainless steel line there. It's still at quite an angle, but so far so good. I may have already done too much damage to the seals in the center section of the turbo. It doesn't smoke all the time, but sometimes it does. But I adjusted the line so that it has more natural flow to get from the turbo down into the return area down there. So we'll see how that goes. I might have to completely redesign the return and see if I can make it any better. But that's one update for the GTR that I did. Another thing is I put my street wheels back on, but there's quite a gap, so I need to adjust the coilovers. As you see, I have the front studs here that I did when I needed to run a spacer, and in the process of putting my wheels back on, I snapped a stock stud. So I've got these. These will be a pain to put in, but I'll be replacing the broken one and all the others with extended lugs, and that'll be another upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I've got some other stuff, just some little bits and pieces. Like this is for the M4, and it's just a carbon fiber overlay that goes on the XM radio shark fin, or whatever you want to call it, on top of the roof of the M4. But the roof is all carbon fiber, and then they have this black radio antenna or whatever. So this is just double-sided tape here, and then just overlays on top of it, so it'll blend in nicely with the carbon fiber roof. Also did a carbon fiber gear shift surround. I'll show you that. So it's real carbon, just uses 3M tape, and just installs on here to cover up the aluminum look here with some carbon fiber. Alright guys, so I got all the double-sided tape off there. Well, not off, but I took the other side off, obviously, to make it sticky. So then now we're going to try and get it on here in one shot. Okay. There we go. Fits really well. Nice. Alright guys, so I don't know if you saw in the first video, but there's a ridge here, and apparently my car had already ripped off the little weather stripping thing that's supposed to go here, so I purchased another one, and it's supposed to just, you know, squeeze up on there, so give that a shot. Alright, it's on there now. So hopefully that will allow the design of this air deflection to like scoop under and up through, give it a little better cooling. That thing is on there tight. You can hear me breathing hard. It was hard to get on there, but yep, now it is complete. So here's a little hint of a video. If you know what this is that you're looking at here, then you know that I installed something on the M4. So that video is coming up soon. My son and I actually did that this weekend. It was raining and stuff, so haven't had a chance to go out and get sound clips and stuff. So stay tuned for that video coming up. But yeah, I think it's coming along nicely. And yep, here's another teaser of something my son and I did this weekend. As you can see, it's raining still. But yeah, this is the exhaust of some car. Gee, I don't know which one it is. It got replaced. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be pretty cool. The iconic rear end. This is I don't think I've actually had this on the channel or not. I have another BMW that I use for my daily driver. It's a 2018 440i XDrive Grand Coupe. So my 4-door, but these are my Apex wheels. These are the ML10 or something like that. ML10 RTs, something like that. But yeah, I put KW coilover suspension on it. And of course I didn't get it aligned, so it ate through the rear tires pretty fast. So I just replaced those two tires. Because here's the fronts and they look brand new. But yeah, if you guys want to see that car, let me know. I can put it on the channel. I've done stuff to it just because I'm a car guy and I can't leave anything alone. So, yeah.